Anyway, last night I go out to Waukegan, by the way, Waukegan High School, home of Jeremy Richmond. You want to talk about an old school gym? You want to talk about a gym, something out of Hoosiers? I'd never been to Waukegan. Plus, I want to credit the Waukegan Police Department. You want to talk about, and the people that work at the school, security, everything done orderly. The crowd was nice. I mean, sometimes people get a bad reputation. I want to compliment I've been saying, you have an issue at Morgan Park and Simeon where there's a shooting and a killing, and 99% of the basketball games in the state of Illinois and in Chicago are fine. But you hear about the one. Some good people out in Waukegan last night. Class team. We ended up winning the game. We had to come from behind, and we won by 3 points. But good job. I'm just saying, brought to you by the fine folks at the Village of Rosemont.